Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we see the topic of probability and statistics. Probability is, we know the basics examples of head and the tail for coin. There are two samples, and then we know dice. If you use only one dice, then it has six samples. Number of samples, and then we use two dice means 36 number of samples. This video is very helpful because you have to prepare for competitive exams in engineering mathematics. And then in this we see the three topics of binomial, Poisson and normal distribution. You have to take the note of this formulas, binomial distribution formulas, mean variance and standard deviation. Then Poisson distribution, this is the formula, please take a note of this. And then normal distribution. This three distributions is very helpful. If we know this formula, we easily solve by using this formula. Shall I explain you how to solve in these problems? And then this is a standard normal distribution formula. The first exam question: the mean and standard deviation of random variable are 50 and 4. Then E of x square. Standard deviation is 4. Then standard deviation we have to convert it to variation of x is 16. Then E of x value is 50. We need to find the value of variance of E of x square. Then we know the formula of variance of x equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square. In this we need to substitute these both values. Then we got the values of E of x square. Then the second question is the mean of binomial distribution is 5 and the variance is 2. Then we need to find the value of p. In this we know the formula of binomial distribution formula. In the above we know mean and variance. Mean formula is np and variance is npq. In this question we have the value mean is 5 and variance is 2. Then we substitute this np value in variance, 5q equal to 2. Then we find the value of q. Then we substitute this value in p equal to 1 minus q. This is the formula. We substitute the q value in p. Then we got the p values. Then third question is, if a binomial distribution mu equal to 10, sigma equal to 2 root 2, then n. We need to find the value of n. We know mu equal to np equal to 10, sigma square is equal to root npq. Then sigma square is standard deviation. Then root npq equal to 2 root 2. Then we substitute this root and root cancel. Then 2 is 2 square 4 into root 2 into root 2, the value is 2. Then we got the value of npq equal to 8. Then we know the np value is 10. Then we substitute this np is 10 and q equal to 8. Then we got the value of q. This q value we need to substitute in p formula. Then we got the value of p. We need to find only n, so we substitute np equal to 10. Then we substitute the value of n. We substitute the value of p into n equal to 10. Then this 5 is moved to this side. 10 into 5 is 50. If a binomial distribution, next question we move. For binomial distribution, the mean is 6 and standard deviation is root 2. The probability of getting two successes is same. We have the value of mean np is 6 and sigma equal to 10, pq equal to root 2. Then same, root cancel, npq equal to 2. Then we substitute the np values in npq. Then we got the value of p. Then we got the value of q. Same, we substitute in p formula. Then again same, we need to substitute the p value in np. We got the value of n. We know we need only the p of x equal to x, n c x, p per x, q per n minus x. Then in question they given 2 success. So we have to substitute in P of x equal to 2, in which place we know the value n, p, q, we substitute, then we got the answer P of x equal to 2 is 16 by 2187. Then fifth question is, if a Poisson distribution of P of x equal to 0 equal to x equal to 1, then value of lambda is. This formula also we see. Then we substitute this x equal to 0 and 1 in both sides, then we equal this both values, we got the value of lambda equal to 1. Then this is a simple question. Poisson distribution of mean is x and variance is also x. Next question. In a Poisson distribution n equal to 350, p equal to 1 by 1400, the value of lambda is lambda, we know the Poisson distribution formula equal to np. Then we substitute the value of n is 350 and p is 1400. Then we substitute, we have to cancel these both values, we got the value of lambda. Then 1 by 4 is 0.25. In question they ask us value of lambda, so we find this lambda value. Then 8th question is, if x is a random variable having Poisson distribution p of x equal to 2, 3, p of x equal to 1, then it variance. Then we substitute these both values in this formula, we cancel both these. We know Poisson distribution formula e power minus lambda, lambda power x divided by x factorial. Then we substitute x, we know the x value. Then we substitute in this side x equal to 2, this side x equal to 1. Then we substitute e power minus lambda is cancelled. Then we got the value of lambda. Next question is, median of normal distribution is mu. Okay. Then in a normal distribution, x is a random variable and 2 is a standard normal variance. P of 10 less than x less than 15 equal to P of 0.5 less than x less than 1.75. The value of mean and standard deviation is. You know the formula is that normal distribution formula x minus mu divided by sigma. We have both the questions. We got this P of 10 less x 10 less than 15 equal to this value. Then we substitute 0.5 is equal to 10 minus mu divided by sigma. The same also the last one, 1.75 equal to this side left side 15 minus mu divided by sigma. Then we cross multiply, sigma is go to this side, 0.5 sigma equal to 10 minus mu. This is the first equation. Then 1.75 sigma equal to 15 minus mu. Then both these values we need to find the values of sigma value. Mu is we need to convert the symbols. Plus is convert to minus, minus is convert to plus. In this below side. Then we need to cancel. Then we got the values. Then we need to find the value of sigma. Then we substitute this sigma value in any one of the equations. 10 minus mu divided by sigma equal to 0.5. This we need to substitute the sigma is 4. Then we got the value of substitute and resolve this. We got the values of mu equal to 8. Then we find the both value of mean and standard deviation is mu is 8 and sigma is 4. That's all. We need to find this formula. Okay, thank you so much. This will be very helpful for your competitive exam. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you already know. We roll.